Welcome back to News 5 at 5. That's a live look downtown. We're at 86 degrees. We've got some thunderstorms just off to the south of the city. I'll show you radar coming up. Live in downtown Pueblo, thunderstorms off to your northeast. 87 in the city, and it is windy in most neighborhoods. Easterly sustained at 36 out at the airport. Here's that first tornado warning active until 5:30 this afternoon. Out over open country right now. It's weakened in the past couple of cycles, but this is still a very dangerous storm. If it doesn't spin up a tornado, you're going to see hailstones 2 to 3 inches in diameter again out over open country between Sheridan Lake and Bristol. But Bristol, Hartman, here's your first alert. This one is headed your way. It is pushing south at about 25 miles per hour. In addition to the hail, you're going to see very heavy rainfall out of that, dangerous cloud to ground lightning as well. Another tornado warning active right now for this cell out over open country just off to the southeast of Kim. This one could spin up a weak tornado with little to no warning, so be in your tornado safe places across both of those areas right now. Those thunderstorms going to continue to rumble here for at least the next hour. In Pueblo County, there's a severe thunderstorm just off to the northeast of the city. Hail at least an inch in diameter. Thankfully, that thing is out over open country and not across the city. A lot of lightning showing up with that thing. Some very heavy rainfall as well. It is moving off to the south at about 20 miles per hour. Outflow boundary moving across parts of El Paso County right now, triggering a thunderstorm down south right around Security Wide Field into the Fountain area. That is not severe, but that thing is dropping down some real good rainfall. We've got a very moist, unstable environment all across the viewing area right now. That's why we're seeing these thunderstorms form. Want to give you the first alert here on this. Watch between 7 and 8 o'clock tonight. I think we'll see a strong thunderstorm pop up over the hills, run right across parts of the city. Modeling taking this thing a little further south of the city, but again, it could be a little further north than that. So just be aware we could see a strong, maybe a severe thunderstorm across parts of the Springs, parts of El Paso County between 7 and about 8:30 tonight. That thing will continue to push off to the south and east with the steering winds coming out of the northwest. Could be a severe thunderstorm out across parts of the valley by our 10 o'clock newscast. At any rate, the radar is definitely going to be lit up when you watch us tonight at 10 o'clock. A more docile day around here tomorrow. The air mass is going to be more stable. Also a little cooler with the frontal boundary coming in. Afternoon highs tomorrow about 5 to 7 degrees cooler than what we had today. And you can see mainly dry conditions across most parts of the viewing area throughout the day. I think that could change by Saturday. The cold front banks up against the foothills. We'll have a moist easterly upslope flow at the surface. There's your coolest day of at least the next 7 to maybe 10 days. That'll be this coming Saturday. A lot of water in the atmosphere, a disturbance coming in during the afternoon, so I've got another round of thunderstorms in your forecast Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. Overnight low temperatures tonight, 50s, higher elevations, sticky with a lot of humidity, lows only in the 60s here across much of southeastern Colorado. You're finally Friday, not as hot as what we had around here today. Temperatures topping out into the 70s, 80s, and a few 90s still showing up out across far southeastern Colorado. Here's that super 7-day forecast in Colorado Springs. We want to break out Saturday because I know you've got plans. You want to break out of the house, and we've got thunderstorms in the forecast. Not looking for a big outbreak of severe at this point, but that could change. Stay tuned. We'll keep you updated. Good chance of seeing thunderstorms roll off the hills across the city on Saturday. Just plain old hot and dry for Sunday, Monday into Tuesday. More moisture, another front coming in by the middle of the week. So I've got thunderstorms in your forecast for Wednesday and especially Thursday, and some cooler air as well. Pueblo, you get a cooling trend the next couple of days, passing PM thunderstorm possible on Saturday, then back-to-back days into the triple digits Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, tracking that next cold front by the middle part of next week with slightly cooler air and a better chance of some thunderstorms by Thursday. Same pattern in Canyon City, a thunderstorm on Saturday, nothing that'll wipe out your plans, but you may have to head indoors for just a bit, and then more storms by Wednesday and Thursday. Woodland Park, a dry day tomorrow. Good chance of seeing thunder and lightning on Saturday. Anytime you see thunder or see lightning and hear thunder, get indoors to avoid that lightning strike. And then more thunderstorms in the forecast Wednesday and Thursday with slightly cooler air.